In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a nested menu in Wix using the Studio Editor. Whether you're organizing your site's navigation for the first time or just want to streamline it, nesting pages is a great way to keep everything neat and tidy. So let's dive in and break down this process, step by step. First, let's open the editor. You'll want to start by logging into your Wix account. Once you've done that, navigate to the Studio Editor for your site. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the primary tool for making changes to your website design. Make sure you're in the right place and ready to get started. Now that you're in the Wix Studio Editor, the next thing we need to do is access the menu settings. Typically, you'll find your menu located in the header section of your site, as this is a common place for navigation links. Click on the menu to highlight it, and then select the option that lets you manage your menu. This will allow you to modify the structure and settings of your site's navigation. Once you're in the menu management area, it's time to nest a page. Look at your list of pages and decide which page you want to turn into a submenu item. Click and hold on that page, drag it slightly to the right, and then drop it underneath the page you want it to nest under. This action creates a hierarchy, with your selected page becoming a child of the parent page. It's a simple drag and drop move, but it makes a world of difference in organizing your site. If you're happy with your new structure, don't forget, you can always add more items. Follow the previous step for each additional page you want to nest. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even create a submenu by dragging a page further to the right beneath another page that's already nested. This adds another level to your menu, which can be particularly useful for websites with a lot of content. Remember to think about your visitor's experience as you do this. Organization is key, and that's it. You've now successfully learned how to create and manage a nested menu in Wix. This simple method not only helps to keep your website organized and easy to navigate, but also enhances the overall user experience. Always remember to save your changes in the Studio Editor, so all your hard work doesn't go unnoticed. With these tools at your fingertips, you're well on your way to having a professional and efficient online presence. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your website's potential.